Hi everyone, this is Zara from Zarabakes. Today I'll be making Eskimo. This chocolate cake is delicious and very moist. It is so worth trying. Here are the ingredients. 1.5 cups of flour, 3/4 cups of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 6 eggs. 2 cups of hot milk to moisten the cake. For the filling, you need 1 cup of powdered sugar, 100 grams of butter, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 4 tablespoons of sugar, 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, 2 cups of milk, and 2 eggs. For the ganache, you need 5 ounces of dark chocolate and 5 ounces of whipping cream. Preheat your oven to 55 minutes at 355 degrees Fahrenheit. Beat the eggs with sugar until creamy white. While beating the eggs in a separate bowl, mix cocoa, flour, and baking powder. Transfer the egg mixture to another bowl. Add the dry ingredients to the egg mixture and mix well with your spatula. Line a 10-inch cake pan with a parchment paper and bake your cake. Let's make the filling. In a saucepan, combine the eggs, the starch, and the sugar. Mix them well and add the milk. Place it on the stove and cook it on the low heat until it gets thick. Remove from heat. And add room temperature butter to it. And cover with a lid and cool it completely. When the cake is ready, remove from the stove and remove the parchment paper. Place the chocolate cake layer back into the belted pan. Line the sides of the pan with parchment paper. Poke holes with a wooden skewer. And pour the hot milk over it to moisten the cake. Line the bottom on the sides of the pan with foil. Now let's continue with our filling. Beat the whipping cream until it turns stiff and add the sugar to it. Once cooled, mix the egg mixture with the whipping cream mixture and beat until well combined. Cover the chocolate cake layer with the filling and put it into the refrigerator. Let's make the ganache. Heat the cream and pour over the chocolate. Let it sit for 10 minutes without mixing. In 10 minutes, mix it well until the ganache becomes uniform. Pour over the chilled cake. Decorate with fruits and refrigerate for at least 5 to 6 hours. Take out the foil and the parchment paper liners from the sides and serve to the table. Hope you like this cake. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes.